Hey guys, what's up?
Hey guys, what is up?
I'm here with
Katie.
Vicky.
Is that broccoli?
Oh, Cage.
My turn?
Cage.
You want one?
I'm
Morgan.
I'm Cage.
The Dolan twins see this?
Bro, what?
Marry me. Both. It's the Dolan
I'm
twins.
eating half of the rest of this.
Half of the rest of it.
Thanks.
You asked me to eat it, so hey.
No.
What?
Yeah.
How do you think the winter dance was?
I didn't go.
Well, we got all this food at the winter dance. Katie took a whole lot.
Shout out to
Kat.
me.
Insert the clip.
Oh yeah, they didn't pay for any of this.
Yeah.
Copped it all.
Well, so
Legally. I have an interesting thing to say, but I'm not going to say it on camera. You have a chocolate thing?
there's only one. So you asked first.
Oh,
I
I have a
want this
birthday cake
one.
one.
Smell it.
This one's birthday cake.
I want that one.
Can I have one?
This one's birthday cake.
Do it at our school twice.
Yeah. First I ran in the rain, and then I
Guys, I ate shit.
drove around.
And my phone flew. So today I was trying to sleep in, right? And my dad walked into my room like 6 times. First he came for my soccer bag, then he was like, where are these jerseys? And I was like, in my fucking dirty laundry. Sorry. And then he came in again to take my dirty laundry, and then came in to tell me that he emptied my bag. And then I started yelling at him because I was like, I'm trying to sleep. And I got yelled out for yelling at my dad.
Katie.
Sorry, this is the first time I had dairy in a month.
Oh,
You're gonna be in the bathroom all night.
I'm sorry if I smell.
I can't do. I have a story. What?
After I'm gonna play my song.
So back in 8th grade, I didn't really know Jessie, but she was
Oh god,
a
where
friend
is
of a
this
friend.
going?
And it was like my dad's like 58th birthday party or
Oh!
something. Jeff. And then
Oh my god, I remember this.
I was like, it was me and my other friend Amanda.
I
And then
every time
I was like on my Snapchat, like a cool little 8th grader. I was like, hit me up if you want to hang. And then Jessie slid up and was like, sure. And I didn't know her, but I was like, okay.
Well, we like kind of, we were like neutral.
She came to my house for my dad's birthday party, and
phone.
then became friends after that. Fun story.
Yeah, really slid in her DMs. We honestly don't really have a lot of food. Kind of ate it all. But everyone has drinks.
So full.
We got like 5 of these T4s.
I can't finish this, it's so sweet.
Mukbangs with food, so like. What's
Eats
the
the rest.
You said like to buy like
really
massive
have
amounts of food.
Do you have
Well, could like a drink?
Should we like go to like a drive-through?
I have a line.
Oh my god, can I have some?
Oh yeah.
Dinner.
Morgan's allergic to everything, so.
Oh my god, are those limon?
I don't know anymore.
Me neither. Katie, how's your concussion?
Katie has a concussion.
I have so many issues.
No speech problems.
Why did you get
I didn't take speech when I was
I'm
in
getting my
kindergarten.
tonsils removed.
Oh.
Oh my god, surgery.
Yeah.
You guys had surgery.
Have you?
No.
Just me.
Who here's been to the ER over 5 times?
I've been once.
I've
been twice.
I've been to the ER for my squirrel bite.
Oh,
The rabies.
Squirrels, I forgot.
No,
My brother got the bike.
squirrels in California don't have rabies.
Well, that's the first time in like.
One time I used a fake peanut allergy to reject a guy on Valentine's Day.
God, welcome to my ASMR.
Why? Is that a
She
trick
tried it.
question?
She tried it and she thought it was disgusting.
It's the fruit punch.
Oh, I tried the other one. That also smelled gross though.
Oh yeah, does anyone want this?
What flavor is it?
Strawberry, I think.
I'll try
I
it.
think it's strawberry banana. Well, how if you will just eat it.
What's this spoon?
That's supposed to be.
No!
Guys, look at my hand.
Wait, is that when you fell?
She ate shit.
I was running to
That's what I
Kate's
said.
car, and I slipped down the steps, and I threw my phone.
You slipped in the room.
This is what happened.
Can I get an iced milk with like a shot of peppermint?
I saw someone at Starbucks order milk, and they were just drinking milk.
Hi, can I get a cup of dragon fruit iced tea with whipped cream and peppermint?
Yeah.
Ew.
Let's go.
You're lovely.
If you go to Starbucks and you order
Wow.
a passion
Shut
fruit
up.
lemonade and you add 3 pumps of mango and 3 pumps of peach, it's hella good.
That's
but one
so much
time,
sugar.
I know, I'm gonna go to that. But like, I did it once, but instead of peach, they put peppermint, and it was the
Ew.
grossest thing I've ever
That
had.
is yuck.
How do they mix that up?
I think they
Peach
just
and
put
peppermint.
I think they put a pea.
Wait, do you remember the thing where it's like spiders crawling up your back? They bite you. They
Don't
bite
hit
you.
her head. 'cause
Blood
she's
rushes out.
infection.
I'm being careful. Blood rushes down. Crack an egg on your head. Let the young float out. I don't remember how to do it.
There's tea on my.
There's tea statistics.
Oh wait, dude, when you cut your hair off and got it wet again, did it get curly or straight?
It was curly.
That's so weird.
Because I was brushing my hair and I found a strand in the shower and I was like, that
Oh my
is
God,
so
scary.
fucking weird. Yeah. Fun fact, my hair's curly.
Wow.
Even when you cut it off her head.
Yeah. You all thought I was stupid too for that question.
When I like took a vote, we were like, do you guys think it's curly or straight?
It was like the stupid thing.
So when you look back at your old memories, it's so gross.
I'm pretty sure I said this to you guys on Friday.
I hate looking back at my
You know how
old
you get those
memories.
flashbacks? You can't delete pictures from there.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know. And then you have to go all over them.
Because you see something like really cringy, you're like, oh, I need to get rid of this.
I did that.
It's probably in Kate's car.
Okay, are we all done?
Put on I saw it.
Having the outro.
Wait, can someone say something interesting about themselves? I want to hear.
You go then.
I don't have anything to say.
She's
I was
allergic to pretty
I was
much
hoping
everything.
for inspiration from the rest of you.
Okay,
I
Jessie,
was
you start.
I was scratched by a rat. It jumped out my face and it
We already
scratched
said
me.
everything interesting about me. I got bit by a squirrel.
Ugh.
Once my dad sprayed sunscreen in my eyes and blamed it on me because I was 3.
Alright.
And I went to the ER. Because you got sunscreen in your eyes.
I think I know
Not the
what
one
you're
she
talking about.
Guys, E-Dog was doing karaoke at the just like by himself doing karaoke. I kind of wanted to sing with him.
Oh, I got my ears pierced today.
No.
Like.
And I have my tragus pierced.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Elijah!
It was just like that.
Purse!
It's not the beginning.
Okay,
No,
okay, we're
that's
done. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Peace.
Ew.
That was so bad.
Ow!
Okay, peace. Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.
Target.
The day.
We made a pop pizza.
Have you seen the Walmart video?